How to use Rocket Lawyer setup properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Many entrepreneurs assume setting up an LLC on Rocket Lawyer is quick and foolproof, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that delay formation, increase costs, or create compliance issues. The first mistake is not selecting the correct state. LLC requirements differ, and beginners who pick the wrong jurisdiction may face higher fees, additional filings, or tax complications. Another common error is skipping operating agreement details. Rocket Lawyer generates templates, but beginners who leave vague clauses risk internal disputes or unclear ownership structures. Many users fail to obtain an NIN. An employer identification number is essential for taxes, bank accounts, and hiring. Beginners who overlook this step may face delays opening accounts or paying employees. Ignoring annual compliance is another pitfall. Some assume the LLC is a one-time setup. Beginners who forget filings, reports, or fees risk penalties or loss of good standing. Finally, some assume Rocket Lawyer replaces professional advice. While it simplifies the process, complex ownership, multiple members, or tax issues may require consulting a lawyer or accountant. To use Rocket Lawyer setup properly, select the correct state, complete a detailed operating agreement, obtain an NIN, track ongoing compliance, and consult professionals when necessary. Avoid these mistakes, and your LLC will be legally sound, efficient, and ready for business.